How to check Meta Smart Glasses battery level. To check the battery level of your Meta Smart Glasses, you have a few easy options. The first way is to look directly at the LED light on the charging case. When you place the glasses inside, the light will show different colors to indicate charging and battery status. You can also double tap the side of the glasses when you're wearing them, and the built-in voice will tell you the current battery level. Another way is through your phone by opening the MetaView app, where you'll see the exact percentage of both the glasses and the charging case. If you want a quick glance without the app, the case LED is the simplest way to check. Green means the battery is good, yellow means it's getting lower, and red means it's time to charge. Keeping your glasses in the charging case when you're not using them is the best way to make sure they are always powered up. Between the voice prompt, the LED light, and the app, you'll always know how much battery you have left. That's all it takes to check the battery level of your Meta Smart Glasses. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.